Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two high-capacity RAM kits, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX DDR4 RAM and the Crucial RAM 64GB kit. Both of these products offer 64GB of memory, making them ideal for demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. However, they differ significantly in terms of specifications, intended use, and price. In this video, we will break down these differences to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX RAM operates at a speed of 3,200 MHz with a lower CAS latency of CL16, which means it can perform faster and more efficiently than the Crucial RAM, which has a higher latency of CL22. While both RAM kits are capable of 3,200 MHz, the Crucial RAM can downclock to 2,933 MHz or 2,666 MHz, depending on the system requirements. This makes the CORSAIR a better choice for users looking for optimal performance in gaming and high-demand applications. Another critical aspect to consider is compatibility. The CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX is designed as a 288-pin DIM, making it suitable for desktop computers. In contrast, the Crucial RAM is a 260-pin SO-IM, specifically designed for laptops. This means that if you're building or upgrading a desktop, the CORSAIR RAM is the clear choice, while the Crucial RAM is tailored for laptop users. Finally, let's talk about price. The CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX is priced at $144, making it a more affordable option for those looking to maximize performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Crucial RAM comes in at $233, which is significantly more expensive. While the Crucial RAM offers reliability and compatibility for laptops, the price difference may sway budget-conscious buyers towards the CORSAIR option. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX and Crucial RAM 64GB kit have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for high performance and affordability for a desktop build, the CORSAIR is the way to go. However, if you need reliable RAM for a laptop, the Crucial kit is a solid choice despite its higher price. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.